Tape www.suividécole-au-Sénégal.com. À école au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape école au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Merry Christmas, everyone. The best wishes for the year 2023. And I am back. This is Teacher Raisa. And today we'll be looking at answering some questions that we had worked on in our last class. Remember about salutations, greetings, formal and informal, how to introduce yourself, how to introduce someone, and the conversation that should carry on. So on the board right now, we're going to be working at some exercises, to greet people. So here is to match, okay? This is column A to column B, or group 1 to group 2. And so, and someone says a word here, what's the answer? So we're looking at it. For example, hello. And we know the hello in French, it means salut. Ça signifie salut. So if someone says hello, what are you normally supposed to say? What do you normally? Hi. So when someone says hello, the answer is hi, and vice versa. If someone says hi, you say hello. It simply means salut. Okay. Number 1 is how are you? Comment vous allez? How are you? Comment vous allez? How are you? So what do you say when someone asks you, how are you? What would you say? I'm doing good, thanks. Or I am fine, thank you. Or you can say, I am great, thanks. So let's go with great. How are you? Oh, I am great. Thanks. Je vais bien. Je suis génial. I'm doing wonderful. I'm doing great. I am nice. Thanks. Always thanks. Okay. Pleased to meet you. Ravi de faire votre connaissance. Ravi d'avoir fait votre connaissance. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you too. Pareillement pour moi. Pleased to meet you. Content d'avoir fait votre connaissance. Ravi d'avoir fait votre connaissance. Moi aussi. Pleased to meet you too. Too, this too. It means aussi. Okay? And how are you doing? How are you doing? Comment vont les choses? Comment tu vas? Comment vous allez? How are you doing? I'm doing good. Thanks. Mot de politesse. I'm doing good. How are you doing? I'm doing good. If you're not doing good, you say, I'm not doing good, but thank you. Je vais pas bien, mais merci. What is your name? Comment vous vous appelez? What is your name? A name, c'est juste un. What is your name? My name is Ali, le prénom. My name is Ali. Where are you from? D'où viens-tu? Where are you from? D'où viens-tu? Where are you from? I am from Syria. Je viens du Syrie. I'm from Senegal. I'm from Cameroon. I'm from France. I'm from America. Where are you from? Then there's another one. Where do you live? Where are you from? C'est d'où viens-tu? Where do you live? C'est où habites-tu? Where do you live? I live at Marist. I live at Mamel. I live at Dakar. I live at Fatick. Where do you live? But where do you come from though? Oh, I come from Senegal. Oh, I come from France. I come from Syria. I come from Canada. But I live in Senegal and I live at Fatick. I live at Fatick. So that's the first exercise. Okay? About greeting people, about carrying on a conversation, introducing yourself, your name, where you come from, what do you do, where do you live, how old are you? I am 12 years old, I am 20 years old, I'm 40 years old, how old are you? And then here, you have to fill in the blank spaces, and those are the answers over here, and you have to fill them here on number 1 to 9. Okay, so you have to start the conversation. So number 1 is how. What do you think the question would be? Is it how are you from? how no see, how meet you. So what would that be? You know, so number one is how. So the answer would be over there. How are you? Comment vous allez? How are you? So I take this off my list. Number two, where are you? What would that be? Where are you from? D'où viens-tu? Where are you from? Of course, you have the question mark. D'où viens-tu? And you answer, I am from Ivory Coast, I'm from Ghana, I'm from France, I'm from Senegal, I'm from Fatigue, I'm from Rufisque, I'm from Chess. Where are you from? D'où viens-tu? And you answer, I am from. The number three, what? I am good, thanks. Je vais bien. Merci. I am good. Thanks. Je vais bien. Merci. So the question would probably, la question ce serait, comment vous allez? Comment tu vas? Je vais bien, merci. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm nice. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm superb. Thanks or thank you. Number four, good. Good quoi? See, number four says good. Ça serait quoi? Here. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Les salutations de la journée. You know, good morning. I don't have enough space, I guess. Good afternoon or good evening. You can even say good day. Ici, c'est midi. Good day. Number five, how are you doing? How are you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. How are you doing? I'm doing good, I'm doing fine, I'm perfect. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Full stop. Number seven, long time, ça fait longtemps. Long time, no see. Longtemps, on s'est pas vu. Long time, no see. Number eight, what is your name? Quel est ton nom? And you have the question mark. And the last one, nice to, what do you mean? Nice to, what are you doing? Answer here. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too, aussi. So these are the exercises, and we're going to look at more as well. Okay, I hope that you've learned how to ask questions, how to write them, and how you can answer them. They're very important, okay, that you know how to spell it, how to write it, and actually how to say it. Good morning, good afternoon, hello, hi, my name is, what is your name? I am from Senegal, I live in Dakar. Where are you from? What do you do? How are you doing? You know, what is your favorite color? How old are you? I am 12 years old. How old are you? You know, nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Great to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You know, so these are the different ways of greeting. Thank you.
Tape www.suividecolosenegal.com